Becoming a physical therapist is a journey, but not a journey for just anyone. For me, my journey almost ended before it even began. After applying for PT schools the previous year and not even getting offered a single interview, I seriously thought that my goal of becoming a physical therapist was just not obtainable. And after receiving all those rejections, I determined that I had a choice. I could just accept the rejections, give up, and move on. Or I could do all that I possibly could to make this dream become a reality. So I determined what I had to do. I put in my effort. And at the end of the day, I got into school and was offered the chance to call myself a physical therapist. Since I knew how hard I had to work to even get a chance at becoming a physical therapist, I knew that I could not let this opportunity get away from me, and that I had to take advantage and learn all that I possibly could. So as I've gone through PT school, I feel that I've gained multiple life lessons along the way. I've learned that in order to be successful through PT school, you have to be mentally, emotionally, and academically strong in order to make it through all the highs and the lows, as well as the mentally and physically demanding. I've also learned that you have to be adaptable to all situations, because life is not even the slightest bit predictable. And probably the most important thing that I've learned throughout this experience, and that I'll take with me through the rest of my life, is that failure is just another way to learn. And in some cases, it's even the best way. I feel that Indiana University has prepared me for a successful professional career, and I feel that they do the best with establishing the core values in each of their students. I want the accountability and the autonomy required of a PT in order to treat with direct access. And as a professional, I want the responsibility to stay up to date on current research because I want to be providing the best care for my patients. I have also gained the ability to be altruistic, empathetic, and caring, which I know directly affects the relationships that I can make with my patients, as well as their buying into my treatment. I will use all that I have learned to further develop professionally and to become a leader in the physical therapy community throughout my career. I owe so much of my professional and personal development as a physical therapist to the faculty here at Indiana University, the classroom experiences through the program, and the opportunity to work with multiple practicing physical therapists of a variety of different backgrounds and skill sets. Specifically inside the classroom, I feel that the exposure to such a wide variety of treatment techniques really allowed me to make the decision for myself, which I would like to use as I move forward with my career. While at the same time, having the opportunity outside the classroom to work with a variety of patient populations in a variety of clinical settings really allowed me to determine which setting and which patient population I could see myself in and working with. Having these experiences inside and outside the classroom have allowed me to establish a career path and career goals that will guide me throughout my career. In order to achieve what I want for my career and to become the best physical therapist that I can be, I know that I have to continually practice the core values every single day. In order to meet my own professional long-term goals, I know that I can never stop learning if I truly want to provide the best patient care that I can. I have to develop the self-awareness and the knowledge to know when my patients need a different treatment technique, further testing, or just a second opinion. And I cannot and will not allow myself to fall into the PT rut and always strive to advance my treatment styles and techniques to keep myself engaged in my patient's treatment and my own profession. Physical therapy has given me a way to truly express what I want to do with my life. I shall take all that I have learned from this educational experience and use it every single day. And there's one thing I will never forget. No matter how far I go, I will always remember where I came from.